Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 monopods available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered the quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best monopods. The 5th product on our list is the Neewer Extendable. This cleanly designed Neewer Extendable monopod has a foam grip, a useful wrist strap, and it breaks down into 5 sections. This product is extendable to 66 inches, which gives you the perfect height for various filming endeavors, and it folds down to 19 inches, which is precisely the kind of compact size you need from a travel monopod. Because of its adjustable size, this monopod is very portable and easy to use. It weighs only 1.3 pounds and is more than sturdy enough to be used as a hiking stick if you desire. Furthermore, this product comes with a tripod base that provides a decent 15 degrees of tilt, enabling you to take 360-degree panorama shots with ease. It also has a standard reversible mounting plate. The max weight load of the Neewer Extendable is about 11 pounds, which is pretty good for things like vlogging camera setups, music video rigs, and other filming where you need to be on the go. It is effortless to carry when traveling outdoors and can even be used as an alpenstock. There's a 1/4 inch screw on the mounting plate to install your camera and a 3/8 inch screw hole at the bottom for your mini tripod, giving great versatility. With its reliable construction and a kit that includes the monopod and a 3-leg tripod base, both of which are made of aluminum alloy, it remains durable and reliable no matter your plan. Moreover, the ultra-stable foam hand grips give you a comfortable hold and stability while recording. Its pros are: it has a sleek design with comfortable foam grips. It is extendable for different types of filming, and it is very light and portable. However, its base is a little too small and wobbly for heavy setups. The Neewer Extendable is a solid choice of monopod for those that spend a lot of time moving through different environments. Up next in 4th place is the Amazon Basics. If you're just looking for a simple monopod that gets the job done, you can't go wrong with this one from the Amazon Basics range. This monopod weighs under 1 pound and measures 17.5 to 61 inches when fully extended. With this unit, there are 5 extendable sections with rubber twist locks for varying the height of the monopod. It is capable of supporting most digital and still cameras, video cameras and scopes up to 22 pounds, and includes a reversible 1/4 20-inch and 3/8 16-inch screw on the mounting plate. Additionally, this monopod ships with a slim carrying bag and wrist strap. The monopod has a comfortable hand grip that feels good to hold and is steady in your hand. It also comes with both a durable rubber foot and a screw-in spike for stable outdoor shoots, so if you're continually working in the grass or sand, you won't have a problem with this monopod. Furthermore, the threading is also compatible with an aftermarket floor stand. This unit is excellent for indoor and outdoor shots. The Amazon Basics offers support and stabilization when using your camera, and having a monopod with this kind of versatility will undoubtedly make your life a lot easier when on the go. Lastly, it's covered under the Amazon Basics 1-year limited warranty. Its pros are: it's very lightweight, it's got a comfortable hand grip, and it has changeable feet for different conditions. However, the cons are: it's not particularly durable, and it is difficult to reassemble should the poles separate. The Amazon Basics monopod is an affordable and adaptable piece of equipment that would work well for outdoor shoots. Still haven't found a monopod that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the COMAN Professional Kit. This COMAN monopod is an aluminum 5-section unit with a fluid video head that is made to satisfy professional videographers who need to leverage the height of their monopod to get above crowds and achieve a wide range of shooting angles. Despite its fairly hefty 3.9-pound weight and having a max payload of only 13.2 pounds, the COMAN Professional Kit is an excellent addition to our list as it has one of the most versatile feature profiles of any monopod. To begin with, the tripod base provides 45 degrees of tilt and an excellent 360-degree swivel, so combined with its 90-degree drop notch, you'll be able to switch from portrait to landscape modes on the go in just a couple of seconds. This also makes it ideal for panoramic and tracking shots. The COMAN patented flip locking system is smooth and straightforward to use. Simply unlock the base to use it as an independent tabletop tripod. With this unit's preset counterbalance and its pan and tilt video head, this monopod is one of the best on the market today. It offers a tilt from up to 90 degrees down to -70 degrees and a standard 3/8 16-inch mounting plate. It is also compatible with most accessories. However, it should be noted that there's no knob or latch to tighten the camera to the mounting plate, so you'd have to use something that fits, like a car key for instance. The COMAN Professional Kit can be extended to a handy 73 inches, making it perfect for overhead shooting, so long as you can support that kind of weight. When it's not in use, this nifty monopod can fold down to just 26 inches, making it a brilliant travel companion for your camera work adventures. Its pros are: it's got a very sturdy construction, it has full 360-degree rotation, and it's extendable up to 73 inches in height. However, it has no tightening screws on the mounting plate. The COMAN Professional Kit provides a wide range of features that make it perfect for amateurs and professionals alike. The second product on our list is the three-legged thing. The oddly named Allen, made by the Three-Legged Thing company, is a remarkably robust and well-made carbon fiber tripod. It has a high-quality feel with large, easy-to-use twist locks that are quick and convenient. With a minimum size of 17.7 inches, this monopod will neatly fit on the side of your backpack. It's the perfect size for carrying as hand luggage on a flight or on a long bus journey. And as it only weighs 1.3 pounds, you'll barely notice it's even there. Nonetheless, with a payload of up to a massive 132 pounds, it will make a difference when you're shooting with full-size heavy cameras and is perfect for supporting a long lens while you photograph sport or wildlife. This so-called Allen monopod has a maximum height of just under 5 feet, so photographers of around 6'2" or taller may find they have to stoop in order to use it. This monopod has an effective interchangeable foot. A rubber foot can be swapped easily for a spike to cope with differing terrain. This product is ideal for sports and action photography, with excellent stabilization for videographers. Furthermore, it features dual 1/4 20-inch and 3/8 16-inch threads, enabling you to alternatively use it as a microphone or camera boom. This unit has novel, chunky grips that provide a secure hold and includes deep channels designed to help disperse moisture from your hands while filming. Lastly, the patented tri-mount plate has specially hollowed spurs for the attachment of other accessories. Its pros are: it is incredibly well made, it has a high load capacity, and it's got additional spurs for extra mountings and cable management. However, at full extension, it will be too short for some. The three-legged thing is a remarkable monopod with plenty of useful features that would suit those with a heavy camera and lens setup. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top monopod is the IFOOTAGE Corba 2. This highly durable, dedicated video monopod by IFOOTAGE just so happens to also be one of the best pieces of equipment for all-around photography. This product can fold down to a very compact palm-sized 5.3 inches and also extends up to 47 inches when the 4 sections are fully expanded. With this feature, you'll be able to get great overcrowd shots as well as stable, low-angle shots for your video portfolio. This item won the Red Dot Design Award, and not without good reason. Unlike the twisting and swiveling lock mechanisms found on most monopods, this Corba 2 unit has a quick-release slide and lock system, which is far more convenient, as it can be done and undone easily with your fingers, even when you are holding the monopod, making it perfect for on-the-go shooting, with its super light carbon fiber frame that is lined with foam to help maintain a secure, comfortable grip. It only weighs 2.67 pounds, which is pretty good, and has an excellent max payload of 22 pounds. It should be noted that this product is also available in aluminum. Moreover, the tripod feet on this monopod can be quickly detached and used very effectively as a low-angle camera pod, while maintaining full tilt and swivel functions. With the IFOOTAGE, you can choose from 3 sizes, the largest of which extends to 71 inches, while the medium-sized one goes to 59 inches overall. This product has a sleek, sturdy design and offers a convenient one-handed operation while also coming with its own carry bag to make your life that much easier. Its pros are: it compacts down extremely well, it is very versatile, and its sleek, durable design is appropriate for all environments. However, its lightness does reduce the stability. The IFOOTAGE Corba 2 is a brilliant all-around monopod recommended for professionals looking for reliable and highly adjustable equipment. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.